it's Jenny from OrigamiTree, and today we're going to be making an infinite flipper. So this paper toy has 4 sides to it that you can just continuously flip forever if you wanted to, and you can draw drawings on it or even cut up photographs. For tutorial purposes, I just wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, just so you guys can see and learn how to make it. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button for crafty fun all year round and to become a crafty friend. And without further ado, let's jump right in. For this project, you're going to need 8 sheets of paper that is a 1:2 ratio and also some double-sided tape. And if you don't have double-sided tape, you can also use glue. First, let's take 1 sheet of paper and we're going to fold it in half vertically. Unfold. Fold the right side to the center crease. And then fold the left side to the center crease. Unfold. And now repeat the exact same thing with the remaining 7 strips. Now that we have all 8 strips folded, we're ready to assemble. First, let's take 2 yellow ones and lay them flat down on a surface. So I'm going to mark off exactly where you're going to be putting your double-sided tape, and for this one, you're going to be putting one on each corner. So here, 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 and here. Now we're going to take 2 pink strips and lay them vertically right on top. Next, let's open it up and flatten. For this next step, we're going to put tape on each one of the corners just as we did before. And then additionally, we're going to put tape all around these 2 boxes. So now we're going to lay 2 yellow strips horizontally right on top. Open it up and flatten. Next, let's put some double-sided tape here, 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 and on both squares. So now let's take the remaining 2 pink strips and align them vertically. Open it up and fold back. And just for fun, I'm going to put some numbers on there so you can see the changes. And your flipper is done. Thanks for watching and for being a crafty friend. If you are not a part of this community already, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the notifications by hitting the notification bell. Leave a comment letting me know what you plan to put on those 4 sides for your infinite flipper, whether you're gonna draw something or take photographs. Also check out my other tutorial that I posted last week. It's a flexagon, it's a really cool paper toy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!